back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is from the big online retailer Amazon. I know you might get tired of seeing Amazon customer service jobs, but this one is a little bit different because it is in the technical customer service field. It is paying very, very well for not requiring any kind of degree in any kind of a technical field. So we're going to get into all of that. Please let me know down below if you're interested in these Amazon jobs or if they're just beat to the bush and you are tired of seeing Amazon featured. And of course, if you do want to apply, the link to the application page, this page that I'm sharing, is in the YouTube description box below this video. But Amazon Web Services, Amazon has so many different businesses nowadays, it ain't even funny, but they do have a cloud storage web-based services, and they are hiring a technical customer support specialist, and this is remote virtual within the United States. Now, Amazon is doing something cool with a lot of their positions. They're offering 3 different working models. You can actually choose if you want to work in the office, hybrid, or remote. Now, we are interested in remote. But as a technical customer service rep, you're going to provide outstanding customer service to address basics with their cloud services department, including addressing billing issues, account access and authentication inquiries, as well as general resource management while keeping the customer data safe. You'll have to navigate an ambiguous workspace when resolutions for issues are unclear or do not exist yet. You'll identify the root cause of the customer issues, areas for improvement, and also provide that valuable feedback to the development teams. Now, again, they are only requiring a high school diploma or GED for this position. They do want somebody who has 2 years of technical experience working with some kind of computer systems or technology components, someone who has 2 years experience working in customer service, and someone who has demonstrated working knowledge of at least one technological domain. So whether you know about cloud computing, you know about the internet, hello, I think we all know that one, you know networking software, security, account management, Amazon services, different things like that. They do prefer somebody who has proficiency in Microsoft Office with an emphasis on Excel, and someone who has a proven success in a fast-paced support environment. Now, if you are up for the customer service challenge, they are actually paying very well for this position. Pay ranges anywhere from $66,200 a year all the way up to $115,900 a year. They have it in their budget to pay up to this $115,000 a year. So if you know a lot about technology, please, please, please make sure you are negotiating that salary. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that is okay. Not everything is going to be a perfect fit for everybody. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.